A moment comes in medicine when everything changes in an instant. A heart slows down, lungs struggle to breathe, and the body begins to lose control. In situations like these, doctors sometimes don't just try to treat the problem, they replace it. This is called organ transplantation. It means taking a healthy organ from one human body and placing it into another person whose organ has failed. And in many cases, this is the only chance to save a life. The most important organ in our body is the heart. It beats non-stop from the moment we are born until our last breath. It pushes blood through the entire body and keeps us alive. But when the heart becomes too weak or damaged, the body cannot survive properly. In serious cases, doctors perform a heart transplant, where a damaged heart is replaced with a healthy donor heart. Once the new heart starts beating, it gives the patient a second chance at life. Then we have the lungs. Every breath we take depends on them. They bring oxygen into the body and remove waste gases. When lungs are badly damaged, breathing becomes extremely difficult. Some patients even need oxygen support all the time. In extreme cases, lung transplants are performed so the person can breathe normally again. Another very powerful organ is the liver. It works like a chemical factory inside the body. It cleans toxins, helps digest food, and keeps the body balanced. The liver is special because it can heal and grow back to some extent. But when damage becomes too severe, even this organ needs to be replaced through a transplant. Sometimes a part of a healthy liver is enough, because it can grow again inside the body. The kidneys are also very important. They act like filters, cleaning the blood and removing waste from the body. When kidneys fail, harmful waste starts building up inside. Patients often need dialysis machines to survive, but a kidney transplant can completely change their life. In many cases, even a living person can donate one kidney and help save another life. There are other organs too, like the pancreas, which controls blood sugar, and the small intestine, which absorbs nutrients from food. When these organs fail, transplants can sometimes restore normal body function. But even after a successful transplant, there is a challenge. The body's immune system sees the new organ as something foreign and may attack it. This is called organ rejection. To prevent this, patients must take special medicines that help the body accept the new organ. Organ transplantation is not just a medical procedure. It is a second chance. It is one human helping another survive. One decision to donate can save multiple lives. And with future science moving toward artificial organs and lab-grown tissues, this field is only getting more powerful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more science content coming that will help you understand how your body and the world around you really work.